Hello guys. So today we are solving this. I have already solved it. So today we are going to solve this hard problem, sliding window maximum. So it's a pretty easy problem to understand, but yeah. Okay, so let's start. So here we have given k equals to 3. So size of window will be 3 and it will move from left to right by 1 till the end, and we have to give max at every position. Okay, so first position is this of this window, k size is 3. Okay, so here you can see maximum is 3. Okay, after that it will move to right by 1, which is the below one. So here also it's 3, another increment. So here it's 5 now, so answer is 5. uh, Here it's still 5. Here it's 6 because 6 is bigger than 5. And yeah, and here you can see we get 7, so 7. So that's the problem. There is one more test case, like uh, this is a very simple test case, but there is something like suppose there is like 4 here. Okay, so 4 is like less than 5. Okay, so here it will be 5 only. And here suppose like this also is 3 or 4. Okay, the 5 will move out of bound, so here we need to update the max like uh, to 4 or 3 depending on what you choose. So yeah, so let's start the like I have started the timer also. So let's start to code this one. Okay, yeah. Okay, so k is our size window, nums is our array, and yeah. So let's start the loop first. Let I equals to 0 to I up to nums dot length I plus plus. Okay, and firstly we need to create like this array or something, right? So like I'll give you an example. Okay, so firstly like brute force method will be like to like slice the array uh, based on the starting position. So I is 0, so we'll start 0 plus 3 and we'll slice this array. We'll find the maximum like we did in the like dry run that I showed you. So here we'll find the max 3. Okay, so we have iterated till like k items here. After that here also we'll iterate k items to find out maximum, and at every iteration of such we'll find out the max. But the thing is like for every I you are doing like k iterations, so it will be like O of n times k. And if k is of size like, I guess, yeah, it's bad basically. If k is of size n, then window will be only 1, right? So like that's not. But what if k is window size is 1 only? So every time you will iterate, then also it will be n. So suppose like it's half now. So yeah, it's half maybe. So it will be n by 2, right? So for every n by 2 we'll do this till n by 2. Oh, n by 2 times, yeah, it will be bad. So we need to find out the linear time solution for this problem. Okay, and that's what we are going to like target. So let's suppose this, right? So this is our array, and we'll start from this. So first we'll get this number, which is like, yeah, but this is not enough for the window size, right? So then we'll include this also, and you can see that this value is smaller than this one, or like you can say vice versa also, this is higher than this one. So we'll update the max, okay? And here also we'll go and we'll find out that this is smaller. So yeah, this is, and then like once we have enough window size, then we'll going to predict, then we'll going to like push it into the result array. So let's create that also. We have res as an array, okay? This will be our array, and we will return this array, okay? So what I've told you, we're not going to push till we have like this size k, which is 3, okay? So if I is 0 1 2, right? So 2 3 1 is 2, okay? So k will be like of size 3, right? So we have to decide from like which position we are. So if k, okay, let's do it afterwards. Yeah. So we'll have our current item as num_si, okay? And yeah, let's do a dry run first, okay, for this problem, what I'm thinking. So I will be this, and I'm thinking of like an array which will be storing indices, okay? So indices array, it will be num, and this will be an answer, okay? So firstly I will be 0, index will be also 0. Here we'll push it, right? What was the number? 1, max, no enough size, okay? I will be 1, and you can see that this is clearly greater than this, right? So what we're going to do, we'll like, yeah, update this one, okay? So now we have at index 1 this 3, okay? And the number was 3 itself, but window size is only 2 elements currently. And now what we do is that index 2 will have the correct window size, right? So 0 1 2, so we are at 2 now, right? At -1, and we can see here also maximum will be this, so it will be 1 only. And what I'm thinking, like if this we get the max, right? And if maximum, okay, afterwards if afterwards a smaller number come, we'll push it, because what if this goes out of bound, right? So then we have to take the next element as this, I guess, yeah. So what we'll do is like here first it will be 0, right? After that this is greater than this, so we'll totally update it, okay? And after that here we'll do 1 comma 2, because now -1 has came, like which is less than our max, so we'll push it, okay? Here the number was -1 itself, okay? And now you're going to predict the max, and max will be what? At index 0 in this array. So what is this? Okay, this is 3, right? Next iteration, what has came? -3 will come, right? -3 will come, -3 will come here, okay? But -3 is less, so you're going to push it, -3, still answer is maximum, now this 3 will go out of bound. So we'll make sure that this index, if this goes beyond this, we need to pop this also. And but here in this case, like, we're going to pop it, but you can see we have now 5, right? So this goes out of bound, but now we have 5, and 5 is totally greater than this also, this. So like we'll do it 0 1 2 3 4. Yeah, so only index 4, number will be 5, and number is also 5. 0 1 2 3 4, sorry, 4, index 4, num 5, max 5. Yeah, all good. I will be 4 here. At index 5, -1 goes out. Here this comes, 3 comes in. It's less than 5, right? So we're going to push this also. So sorry, 4 and 5. Num is 3. Max is still 5. After that, we have 6 coming in. 6 is greater than all of them. Index is 6. Num is also 6. So it's easy for us to type 6 will be the max. After that, 7, right? At 7 also we got 7, so we'll directly do this 7, and max will be 7 here. Okay, so this will be our output. At every iteration we are going to put the first index one. Okay, so at nums 4 we have 5, nums 4 we have 5, at num 6 we have 6, num 7 we have 7. Yeah, num 7 7, num 6 6, num 4 we have 5. Yeah. Okay, so 3 3 5 5 6 7, 3 3 5 5 6 7. Okay, this is the first try run of this. Okay, so let's code it. So what have we done? If let's push it. Okay, and this is not push and this is not push I, and this is not push I. If indices dot length is greater than 0, right? So यहाँ से आगे यहाँ पे index 0. We have to check for the value of our first, right? And this is 0. So whatever we have in this, we'll check that. So this is index value, right, for nums array. So nums of first is it okay. So push we have to code for pop. So when are we going to pop? Okay, so pop where we will do. There is one left pop which is for window. Okay, which is I think Deque, and it's shift method here. But here what we are doing is after 1 3 we are like totally updating it, right? So if this is if first element of this array is smaller than current array, right? Sorry, not current array, the current number. तो उसको रख के फायदा नहीं, उसको खाली करने का. Yeah, we have to empty it. So we're going to like pop it, pop. So if, but we can only pop from last, right? So yeah, let's think of it as last only. So suppose 3 have come and this is for 1, right? So pop it and then we'll push it, which is here push. So nums dot last, because we're going to pop from last, right? So we have to check the last element. If last element is less than nums which is current, nums I which is current, so we'll pop this and this is dot pop. Okay, else we'll push it. So this will okay, something is wrong, I guess. Okay, I'm not going to see it. I pressed it by mistake. Okay. So indices we have now, we have pop. Okay, so now we have to think of one more scenario. What if our window size is, and what if we have like multiple smaller items before it, right? So then we need to continuously do it. So let's make it while only. So it will be while, will pop and then push the max one. So basically it will empty whole array if we found greater than the current. Okay, so it will start ending from last year. So that's the idea. And what else we need to do? Okay, we need to publish answers when if I, right, I will be 2 here, then we'll publish the answer. So I is 2 plus 1 greater than equals to, right? Yeah, if I is greater than equals to k minus 1, right? Yeah, k minus 1. So 3 minus 1, which will be 2 greater than equals to 2. Yeah, we need to push our answers. Whereas dot push nums at indices 0. This will be our max. But what if our size of window, okay, so we need to check that also. So if nums of indices 0, okay, so here this 3 is going out of bound, right? So its index is 1, and here our r will be 2, 3, 4. So we'll add 5. We will include 5 at index 5. I will be 5, right? We'll index number 3 at I equals to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sorry. So yeah, here not here, 0, 1, 3, 3, 3. Yeah, here only. Here we will exclude this. So excluding logic will be 0, 1, 1. Here will be 1 at nums I, right? So if 1 and here 4 minus 1, which will be 3. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. Where is my condition? 4 I minus index at 0 is greater than or equals to k, I guess. We have to remove from the first indices. Okay, we know that this is index 0 for sure. So index dot, I told you it's a shift method to remove first element. It's a reverse of pop. So in pop you remove from last. Using this method you can remove from first, yeah, starting of the array. So here indices was something like this. Now let's see, is this matching our this dry run or not? Okay, it matches, right? 0 1 1 2 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7. Yeah, perfect. Now what are we missing? Okay, so yeah, I told you that this case doesn't cover one thing, which is, yeah, so here you can see window size is 1, so here it will be 1 only, right? But when you move here you'll see that this is going out of bound. Okay, it is going out of bound, so we need to remove this. And then so if we are removing this, right? If I minus, we need to shift, so maybe something is wrong with this condition, right? So yeah, let's see. 0 1, so max will be this, so this is 0, so 0, and this is 1. I 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 is greater than equals to, okay, yeah, 0 0 1, it should have been removed. Okay, if I is greater than equals to k minus 1, I is greater than equals to k minus 1. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? No, same thing. My bad, my bad. Okay, why did I do this? It's already index in itself, right? So I minus the index if shift, I was subtracting the value, yeah, so 0, and it sees like window is now, so yeah, 1. Okay, great. So these two cover cases, these two test cases cover the things where this 3 will go out of bound and you need to update it. So to update this, what we are doing, like if you know, we are pushing it, right? So if we get 1 also, we will push it, but here 2 is coming and this is not great, so it will empty that array using this pop condition, because the current is 2, so it will check from last, and last element, like the indices array has 3 and 1 on this at this moment. Okay, so it will check this value is less than the current element, right? So it will pop it, so now it will have only 3, and now we have current 2, so 2 will also push it, so now it will be 3 2, and you can see here, the 3 will go out of bound, shift will work, it will make it go, it will pop, and then here we will have 2 only, right? And then max will be 2, and yeah, it will go like that. So I'll remove this, and yeah, this is a dry run. Let's keep it and submit. 23 minutes. Not bad. Not bad for this problem. Yeah, it's a tricky problem. So yeah, this is the solution. I hope you like this. Comment if you have any questions. That's all. I'm going to submit it one more time to see if this jumps or not. Oh, it becomes worse. Yeah, that's all. Thanks. Bye.